They promise to be the decentralized AI that changes everything. EMT Token claimed it would power intelligent smart contracts, real-time language AI, and even autonomous Web3 agents. But what's really going on behind the scenes? In this video, we're peeling back the layers of EMT Token, from bold promises and slick marketing to the harsh reality of what's actually been delivered. And stick around, because in the final section we uncover something alarming hidden in their contract code. Welcome back to the Crypto IQ, where we expose the truth behind the trendiest coins so you can make smarter investments. In today's case study, we're diving deep into EMT Token, one of the newer AI-themed altcoins on the rise. Here's what you'll learn: what EMT promised to build, whether their roadmap and white paper hold up to scrutiny, the current state of their platform and tech stack, how EMT compares to legit AI competitors, and whether EMT is a hidden gem or a polished trap. Let's start by looking at the bold promises EMT made during its explosive launch. EMT's big AI-powered promises. When EMT first launched, the pitch was loud and clear: the first fully autonomous AI layer for Web3 dApps. Sounds impressive, right? Their white paper and website promised real-time AI-driven smart contracts, NLP integration for voice-activated wallets, autonomous AI agents that could trade, stake, and execute transactions without human input, full on-chain data processing using machine learning. They also hinted at partnerships with big AI firms, though no names were confirmed. This positioned EMT as a futuristic, all-in-one AI layer for DeFi, gaming, governance, and more. But did they actually build anything beyond the buzzwords? Next, we dive into the tech stack, and things start to get interesting. The tech behind EMT. What's real, what's not? To their credit, EMT launched a DevNet subnet with some basic AI functionality. They've released demo contracts that attempt to integrate GPT-based models via oracles. They created a voice command testnet interface using an open-source whisper-to-action bridge. But the AI doesn't actually run on-chain. Instead, it pulls responses from a centralized backend. There's no open-source SDK for developers to build with EMT's AI infrastructure. Their GitHub shows very limited activity, mostly forks and cosmetic commits. This raises the question: is EMT really a decentralized AI platform, or just a Web3 wrapper around ChatGPT? Stick around. In the next section, we'll dig into their roadmap and reveal what's still vaporware. Chapter 3. EMT's roadmap. Promises versus delivery. Let's stack EMT's promises against their actual delivery. Q1 2024, launch of AI Agent Toolkit. Status: delayed, no public release, no developer documentation. Q2 2024, partnership with an AI inference network. Status: no official partner confirmed. Social mentions, but no on-chain or corporate data. Q3 2024, EMT Launchpad for AI startups. Status: landing page live, but no actual funding rounds or incubations announced. Q4 2024, EMTL2 for high-speed AI model execution. Status: no technical white paper, testnet, or dev preview. In short, EMT has an ambitious roadmap, but most of it is still aspirational. Up next, let's follow the money. Is EMT's tokenomics built to last or to dump? EMT Tokenomics. Inflation, unlocks, and whale control. Tokenomics tell you where a project's real priorities lie. So what does EMT's model reveal? Total supply, 1 billion EMT. Circulating supply, approximately 220 million. Staking APY, 20%, declining curve. Team wallet, vesting, 18-month linear vesting, but no public multi-sig or tracking. Key risks: insider wallets. Hold 38% of supply. Data from Arkham shows heavy concentration. Private round tokens unlock in 3 waves. The next major unlock is only weeks away. Low liquidity on DEX, less than $2 million in available trading volume. EMT's tokenomics look heavily geared toward insider advantage, especially risky for short-term traders. But how does EMT stack up against real AI altcoins with functioning ecosystems? EMT versus the competition. Is it actually AI? So how does EMT actually stack up against the true AI players in crypto? Spoiler, not well. EMT claims to be AI first, but in reality, it's more of a centralized GPT wrapper with no on-chain machine learning, no open ecosystem, and almost zero transparency. Compare that to projects like FET, Fetch.ai, with autonomous agents, TAO, Bittensaw, running incentivized machine learning subnets, and AGIX, Singularity Net, with its AI marketplace. These projects have real infrastructure, active development, and growing ecosystems. EMT, it checks none of those boxes. It scores lowest across every core metric: use case, architecture, community, and transparency. So while EMT markets itself as an AI token, what you're really getting is AI-adjacent branding, not genuine blockchain AI innovation. But there's still one more layer to check, and this is where things get risky. Smart contract warning. Hidden risks. Using Etherscan and BSC Scan, we examined EMT's main smart contract. Here's what we found. Standard ERC20 structure. Mint function is still enabled for the owner. No time lock contract or governance multi-sig. Transfer restrictions coded in for specific wallets. What this means: the EMT team, or a compromised wallet, could theoretically mint new EMT tokens at any time. Combine that with central Oracle control, and you've got a recipe for silent manipulation. This doesn't confirm intent to rug, but it highlights a major centralization risk. Final verdict: EMT, gem or hype balloon. So, is EMT worth holding? Pros: ambitious vision, some AI experimentation, growing community interest. Cons: no real decentralization, weak GitHub activity, major roadmap delays, centralized control plus token risk. Final verdict: EMT is not ready for serious investment. It's more of a speculative play with long odds and big risks. Only consider it if you have high conviction in the team's long-term delivery and can afford the loss. Found this helpful? Like the video to help more investors avoid hype traps. Comment which AI altcoin you want us to break down next. Subscribe and hit the bell. We've got more deep dives and red flag alerts coming soon. This is the Crypto IQ, where hype ends and due diligence begins.